Morning, everyone. It's Monday morning at 8:42, and this is your pre-opening comment, and it is video number 670 for Monday morning. Okay. We had one piece of economic news this morning, and that was Empire State Manufacturing. And that index moved up to its highest point since 2018, 17.4 versus a 15 estimated. And what was interesting here was that the prices paid component, so input prices were up, as well as prices expected to receive, also up, clearly signaling that there's the expectation of some inflation sneaking its way back in. In corporate news, excuse me, we have AstraZeneca saying that there's no evidence of blood clots in their vaccine, but there have been some complaints. Rakuten, which is a foreign stock, RKUNY, is up on Tencent and Walmart's backing of their product, which is kind of a rebate. The stock is 11.38, up 88 cents, or 8.4%. Tesla disclosed that there were 400 cases of COVID-19 last May when they reopened in defiance of the California closing of their plant. Gasoline up a quarter over the last 3 weeks to $2.89. I mentioned this last night in my charts with comments. My comment for crude. CCL, Carnival Cruise, said there will be 2 more tough years ahead before they get back to pre-COVID numbers. They are talking about shorter cruises and less of them to get started. So we'll see what happens there. Genmark, GNMK, being bought by a combination of Blackstone and one other. Slips my mind. The stock closed 18.46 on Friday. It traded as high as 25.06 this morning. The last is about $24, which is up 30%, or $5.44 on that all-cash buyout. Pardon me, that's Roche and Blackstone buying it, and it is all cash, as I said, and Genmark is a testing company. Eli Lilly had disappointing results on their Alzheimer's drug data. The stock is currently $194.43. That's down $13.65, or 6.6%. And going into the S&P, Penn Gaming stock is trading 138, up 753 on the news, as well as Generac going in, and Caesars. On the way out are Xerox and VNT. Both of those will drop down to the S&P 400. We have extended stay, STAY, at 2032, up 338, or 20% on Blackstone and Starwood to acquire it. I haven't seen a price, and I haven't seen whether it's cash or whether Blackstone is using some stock, but we will get all that information as we go on during the day today. As far as futures go, the Dow is up about 72, NASDAQ is down about 11, S&P is down about $1. European markets are slightly higher. Asia is mixed. Okay, the chart on the screen is Bitcoin, and overnight it traded as high as 61,000. Let's see. 61,255 and reversed all the way back down to 54,915. It would not surprise me to see it pull all the way back to this area that I'm pointing to right now, which is around 53,000, which was the top of that consolidation that I've been quoting now for a couple of weeks, between 53,000 on the high and 45,000 on the low. Ultimately, I think it still reverses and moves up to the 68 to 70 area, but it is a little bit of a blow off. It could pull back lower, but I think that there's so much excitement around it and the NFTs that I doubt that we're going to see any kind of a topping area in here right now. Gold is a bit higher. Last I saw it was up 0.5%. Let's see, gold up $9.40. Let's just see what that number looks like. It looks like 0.53. So as I said, 0.5%. We really need to close over this number right here, which is 1733.60. And I think that we probably run into some trouble here at 1745, 1750. But, we have this bottom closing on the low and reversing the following day, higher high, higher low. Continuation and a pullback to the point of breakout. We could run up into this 1775 area. So that's what I'm looking at there. The silver is also up. We have a position in the silver right here. Silver is up 27 cents, which is a full percent, I believe. Silver up 28.4 or 1.06%. Much different looking chart. No serious downtrend, already at support and bouncing higher. Didn't break all of those moving averages that the gold did. And again, a close above 26, let's call it 26.40. Would probably take us higher. All right, everyone, have a good morning, and I'll be back later. And don't forget to subscribe.